Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Lexus ES350 oil light, only ways. Start by turning the ignition to on without running the engine and make sure the dash is lit. Locate the trip meter button on the instrument cluster and cycle to the odometer or maintenance display. Press and hold the odometer reset button until the oil maintenance light flashes or the miles remaining shows 0, then release and verify the light is off. Work methodically to ensure the reset takes correctly and you don't miss a step. Keep the car in park and the parking brake set, then turn ignition to on without starting the engine. Cycle the display to find the oil maintenance or remaining miles readout, then press and hold the odometer reset button for around 10 seconds until the numbers drop to 0 or the light blinks. Start the engine and confirm the oil light is gone. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control and smart mapping, so it handles dust and debris after a garage oil change with no fuss. I use it to keep my floor tidy while I work on cars. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the reset does not work immediately, stay calm and try the sequence again exactly as described. Sometimes a simple power cycle helps, so switch ignition fully off, wait a few seconds, then repeat the on position and hold the reset button. If the oil light persists after multiple attempts, consult the owner's manual for cluster variations or contact a dealer, since a diagnostic tool or software update may be needed to clear the indicator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.